And this is the moment when you appreciate them church mothers and that holiness preaching and all that old school stuff about holiness that used to be in church back in the day that we don't have no more. Where's the standard of God, man? What happened? What happened to the standard of God? What happened to the respect for God and what we bring into the house of worship? I know it's just a building, but it's supposed to be the place where we come to worship God. Is this what we're doing now?